Organizations today need agile and connected factories to innovate quickly and adapt to new business models. Microsoft Dynamics 365 enables manufacturers to unify data from siloed systems across the value chain, from suppliers to the shop floor, and proactively manage production to improve throughput, quality, and uptime. Businesses can eliminate stockouts with real-time planning and inventory visibility to ensure the right stock is always available in the right place at the right time. Dynamics 365 supports discrete, process, and lean manufacturing with make-to-stock, make-to-order, configure-to-order, and engineer-to-order strategies. Manufacturers can set up and optimize reverse logistics to support a circular economy. They can effectively scale by running critical manufacturing and warehouse processes 24/7 at high throughput, on the cloud or at the edge. And they can ensure business continuity even in remote locations. Improve yield and transform the way frontline workers safely and efficiently make products with interactive instructions and guided workflows right at their workstations. Contact us today to learn how Microsoft can help you build agile factories and sustainable manufacturing processes with predictive technologies, IoT, and mixed reality using Dynamics 365.